this isn't a teaching video, neither a special video. This is just an announcement. And even though I don't want to start a video directly from the announcement, that's why this. Hey, there's something weird about it. Don't you think? There are letters all around. I wanted to ask you one thing, but I have to find out what it is. So let me start with the space key. Wow, that is super. What is your imagination? That's exactly what I wanted to ask you. There's one competition named What is Your Imagination contest. It's held by me. You don't have to go anywhere. You can sit in one place and do it. All you have to do is imagine a vehicle of 2030 and comment into this video or the perimeter video. The best one will be announced in my next video. Next, or maybe next is next. This contest ends at January 15. First it was January 10, 2019, but I gave you little more time. January 15, 2019. Okay, start imagining now. Whoa, that is good. What's it? The time machine is launching. It's going to 2030. That's what I said. Okay, now I will tell you my imagination of one vehicle. It will be one big circle shaped thing. And you will have two holes in middle for the air to get in. It will not be covered. It will have two handrails. It will have cushions to stand on and a seat to sit on. And there will be helmet. When you keep on that helmet, what or where you want to go, it will take you. Like if I think I want to go to left, then it will take me to left. That's how you control my vehicle. And it can fly up to 6 feet high. That's what I think 2030 people will use in their homes. And it's best for traveling in mall center. You can fly how much high you want. Thank you. That's all.